Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a glam Halloween look. I hope you guys are here for it. Let me know what you think down below of this look. I don't know, but we actually use this new palette from Muse that I mentioned in my massive drugstore haul, which is going to be down below if you missed it. But we actually go in with that, and then I use a lipstick that I've been neglecting for a while, and this is the Ellie Girl lipstick. So we use a lot of interesting things today, and it was a lot of fun. It was honestly interesting. I haven't done like a glam look. Last year I did a witch kind of makeup look. I'll have that down below if you want to watch. That one was really fun. But today was just like not really a costume-ish situation. It was just like a Halloween inspired black smoky kind of look. So if you're interested in how I got this look, or if you want to see what I used or whatever, just keep on watching. And if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video if you like it. And let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows first. I haven't filmed in what feels like 3 years. It's only been a week, okay? But I'm gonna go in with my two Shop Missy eyebrow products. The first one is a Slim Brow, which I mention all the time, and that is it right there. I use mine in Ebony, and then my Wonder Brow. This is just a pomade, and this one is in dark brown. So I'm gonna kind of speed through this process just because I always do my eyebrows on camera with you guys. So I'm just gonna line my brow with this and then fill them in with the pomade. Using my Cat Staysurance concealer to clean them up. I'm honestly crossing my fingers hoping that this comes out good, because I'm like on X game mode right now. I'm like trying to get through it fast because I don't know, I haven't filmed in a while, so I don't know, it's just like, yeah. I'm gonna prime with the same concealer, and we're gonna get right into eyeshadow. Okay, eyes are primed. For eyeshadow, I have two palettes here. The first one is this one from Muse Cosmetics, and this one's actually the one that I featured in my massive drugstore haul. If you didn't watch that and you're interested, in the description I have a link to that video, so it's down there. And this is one of the palettes that I purchased. At the moment, it's still available on the Shop Missy website, and it's this gorgeous smoky kind of palette, and you get a blush and a highlight. At first, I was thinking of using my H&M palette. If you've seen my palette collection videos and stuff like that, I mentioned this quite a few times. It's a really gorgeous palette, and it comes with smoky tones, but as well as some burgundy kind of shades. We have a blue, we have a blush, and a highlight. I just thought it was interesting because they kind of look similar. I think the only thing this one's missing is like that burgundy shade, but these are really cute. So I'm thinking, I wanted to decide here which one did I want to use today, because this one's really gorgeous, but I haven't used the Muse one. This one's really beautiful. I do want to do like a smoky kind of look. I also wanted to use some glitter. I don't know how it's going to turn out because I didn't really think about what I wanted to do. I'm just going to stick with the Muse palette just because I haven't used it and I want to use it on camera with you guys. I've talked about their formula. It's really good. I have like a bunch of their other Muse palettes from the Shop Missy site, and yeah, so let's try it out. It smells good. So these are the shades again, really beautiful shades. You get the highlight, the blush, you get a black shade, we get this blue shimmer, this gray. It's a really beautiful color story. I have freshly washed brushes. I posted a picture of it on Instagram and you guys went crazy for it. I literally had to wash all my brushes, like, yeah, all my sponges, all my brushes, and it feels good. Okay, they're all clean. So let me get started. Now that they're clean, I can't recognize them. I don't know which is the ones that I use. Okay, I'm going to take that gray shade. I'm just going to start off with that. Let's see what kind of look we get. Kind of want to do a black smoky liner situation, but I don't know. Kind of changed my mind. I was going to use these from the Shop Missy site and I completely forgot. I'll use them another time. Haven't really been a big fan of these. They're just super sticky. So when you put them on and you like try to remove them, they're just so sticky. It's literally pulling your skin. So I don't know how I feel about these, but I did want to use them today to kind of remind myself, but I forgot. So we'll just use them on another type of video, maybe for my not so makeupy voiceover or whatever. We'll use it then. Just like messily throwing it all over. If you guys have been here for any length of time, you guys know I'm not really like a neat kind of person. Like I just kind of throw it on and hope it looks good. I don't know if you guys do that too, but you know, we're not professional over here. We're not makeup artists. So I'm gonna take the black shade. I think it's gonna be a fairly easy look for anyone to do for Halloween Zoom party or whatever you guys have planned for Halloween. I honestly think it's just gonna be a regular day. I never really went trick-or-treating since I'm old. You know, me and my sister tried to a couple years ago, and the looks people would give, I can't tell you. I like candy too, just because I'm older. Like, you know, this is pretty. It's building up rather nicely. Yeah, so I don't even know like what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna probably just watch Halloween movies on Freeform. If you guys don't know, they're doing Halloween movies throughout this whole month. So, and then Hallmark is gonna start with the Christmas movies, which I'm super excited about. I love Christmas. Christmas is actually my favorite holiday. I know a lot of people love Halloween. I like Halloween. It's just I like it, but it's not my fave. Let me know what you're dressing up as for Halloween if you are. Can't wait to go back and look at everyone's Halloween look. So many people get really into it, and man, some people, you guys, like, some people are talented, okay, with the Halloween looks. This brush is so nice, so soft. I really like it, and look at that, it looks gorgeous. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease using the same concealer. Somehow I haven't messed up. That gray shimmer shade from the palette. I don't even know what we're gonna do with this. I guess we're gonna throw it here in a slanted kind of way. I tell you, this palette is really nice. Take that black that we used in the outer corner, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this part in, just using like a small brush. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this up, kind of up and around here. That like section where we haven't touched anything, I'm actually gonna try to put some glitter there. We're gonna see how this goes. We're gonna go ahead and use the Beauty Creations glitter, and this one here is in Silver Dust. Use this as well, so let me try this out. I actually received that in a Beauty Creations mystery box, so let's see how this goes. Let's see how it looks. Did I mention I'm not a makeup artist? Because if I did, I think everyone knows it now, for sure. I don't know how I feel. Okay, for eyeliner, I chose the Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I actually want to do a like full dedicated video to this. I've been using it for a while now, and I want to do like a wear test for you guys and stuff. So it's basically a lash glue and liner combined in one. So we're gonna use this today. We're gonna use this and then the Beauty Creations lashes, and these are in Realness. So these are really gorgeous. We're gonna use these today, and hopefully they save the look, because I don't know how I feel. These are really gorgeous. They're super dramatic and fluffy and really beautiful. Okay, so I did the wing. I'm just gonna go over it one more time before the lashes, because this does dry pretty fast and it's the lash glue, so if it dries, the lashes are not gonna stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some mascara real quick, and this is the AOA Wisp, what is this, enhancing mascara from the Shamasay site, and this one is in black. So it's a really cute mascara, really good for every day. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I completely forgot about mascara, honestly. This look is just not it. It's not how I envisioned, but we'll see with the lashes. That is lashes on. Still not sure how I feel about the eyes, to be honest. Don't know if I'm gonna even post this. Maybe it's gonna go under a glam makeup Halloween look fail, because yeah. We're gonna go in with the Ellie Colors face primer, and this is just a smoothing one that I used in my Ellie Colors roundup video, no, in my Dollar Tree video, I believe. And this is a interesting one. not the best in the world, but I chose it today because I think it's gonna be a little spooky fun, because it's gonna turn my face white, so why not? I never use this, like I just don't, because it's white. Yeah, perfect for Halloween though. Now I'm a ghost. This makeup look is like literally like, how's 2020 going? And you're like, well, it's something. We'll try something new in Tuesday's video. I actually have a Hocus Pocus palette coming in, not the ColourPop one, but a different one, so that's gonna be fun. So that is the primer. Yeah, and I actually have 2 foundations today because I feel like this one's running out. There's like a little bit left. It's a AOA Studio buildable satin foundation. I use mine in honey beige, and if that runs out, then I also have my Beauty Creations one, and this is the Flawless Day foundation in FS 7.0, one of my favorites, also running out. So this one was like running empty the last time I used it. It's like literally nothing in there, but when I bang it on my hand, there's a lot coming out. Like, look at that. So you're lying to me is what you're saying. Look at that. Like, there's a bunch in there, but yeah, you really have to check so you can use every drop. But you see how nicely, like, it's just so beautiful on the skin. I love it, and it's so inexpensive. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of the Ellie Colors color corrector in peach as well. Oh my gosh, my life. As well as the Cat Staysurance concealer, which we've been using this whole time. Throw some of that on. The peach concealer is only to kind of hide any dark circles I may have, but if this is a Halloween look, I should leave them, right? But you know, I'm just trying to use this up. And then the Cat one, trying to use this up as well. I think the color is just a little too muted for me, but I love that it spreads out so easily. You see? Girl, you know we gotta make those ugly faces for the concealer, okay? If you're not going to, then you're not like doing it right. Gotta get in those areas. Yeah, this combo is really nice for the under eyes. It's so easy to blend out. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wet n Wild's Pro Contour Kit and palette, and we're gonna set the under eyes using that shade. The brush is so soft. I think it came in that Ulta kit. Yeah, Ulta Beauty kit. Did you guys see the holiday releases for Ulta Beauty? Oh my gosh, I was shocked because they never really come out with anything cute. I feel like their stuff is a little, I don't know, it's just like I forget about them sometimes. Even when I go into Ulta, like the section for their items, I just kind of skip over or glance at it occasionally, but the holiday stuff like really looks cute. It really does, so props to them for that. I'm gonna take my Smoke and Mirrors setting powder, and this is gorgeous on the skin. It's this white kind of powder. You can find this at either Five Below or the 99-cent store has them. That's where I bought mine. I even have the backup. It's really good, and it is a mattifying face powder. Yeah, so if you have loose, I had loose in my mind because it's a loose setting powder. Oh my gosh, if you have oily skin, then you might like this. It's really nice. $1, you cannot beat this. This is gorgeous. Finish the lower lash line. I'm gonna use the Amuse Duo Situation, and this is also on the Chamissé site. And then I am gonna finish up the lower lash line before we hit highlight and blush and all that stuff. So this is dirty. What is going on? I did talk about this in my massive drugstore haul, and this is such a good liner. It's so creamy. Am I the only one that literally has this one section here that it's just like no pigment applies there? Always. Some mascara on the lower lashes. We're gonna use this for blush and highlight, so we're gonna use these two here. You guys know I love my blush. This palette smells so good. It may also be my brushes. I do wash my brushes using that soap from the Shamasay site. You guys need that. That's so good. It smells good. At first, like if you smell the soap directly, like I honestly didn't like the smell, but like on the brushes, it smells good. I need to purchase another one. It's so easy too, and it cleans your brushes so quickly. Inner corner moment. Ooh. Okay, that really tightened the look. It honestly did. It just brought everything together. Wow. It's a gorgeous highlight for these smoky tones. Like it looks kind of gray. Girl, this palette was only $1. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, should we do the... We'll do this, just a dab. You guys see that? That is gorgeous. Honey, this was $1. Yes, it's still available, girl. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Now lastly, we have lips, and this is gonna be really fun. I'm gonna go ahead and take my LA Colors eyeliner. I don't have a black lip liner, so we're gonna use this on the lips, and hopefully nothing happens. So I left that middle part open because I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Girl lipstick, and this is the one that I mentioned in my lip product video collection situation, and that's gonna be down below. I believe that went out last week. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this, and this one here is in Poetic, and it's this gray lipstick. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on. I never use this. I thought it'd go great with today's look. And then going in with the Beauty Treats lip gloss in aloe, or the aloe lip gloss, whatever. That is lips. And lastly, we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. setting spray, and we're gonna finish the look, and we'll talk about it. Okay, so this is the final look. I honestly am I wasn't feeling it at first, but I think the look came out really nice towards the end. Now that everything's on, I think it tied everything together. The lashes, the liner, the lip really goes with the eyes really well, and it's a really nice look. I wasn't feeling it at first, but I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you think down below, and we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about or used on my face is going to be down below. All the names of the prices, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or anything that I uploaded last week. Don't forget, I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high-end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And I also have a link to my Instagram, my TikTok, and even my Facebook down below, so a quick follow there would be great, and we could become friends. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.